Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a card using some of the new products from the Heartfelt Harvest release, so let's get started. I'm using the Bountiful Banner stamp set, coordinating honeycuts die set, and layering stencil set for my card today. I decided to use a slightly unusual fall palette of gold, coral, and dark shades of blue. I placed the first layer of the stencil over a panel of white cardstock. I use a blending brush to apply Faded Jeans Distress Oxide ink over the first stencil layer. Then I carefully remove that layer and line up the second leaf layer. This time I applied Chipped Sapphire Distress Oxide ink. Next, I use Stormy Sky for the leaves of the third and fourth layers. I also use Delicata Gold ink for the tiny accents on those layers. I use saltwater taffy and abandoned coral for the flowers. And finally, I use the same gold ink for the banner, concentrating the color on the edges and blending out to the middle. I let the panel dry completely and then line up the coordinating Bountiful Banner stamp set over the panel using my MISTI. I stamp it with Versamark and heat emboss it with gold glitter embossing powder. Then I die cut it with the coordinating die. Next, I stamp the banner sentiment into the center of the banner and heat emboss it with the same gold glitter embossing powder. I trim a piece of soft coral pattern paper from the new Homestead Harvest paper pad and adhere the stenciled arrangement on top with foam mounting tape. I love the versatility of this set, and that by changing the ink colors and embossing powders, you could easily use this set all year round. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used and the new Heartfelt Harvest release in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!